My friends, they told me, no, they won't do any cooking. Why? They're afraid of knife. Was the only one who really took the trouble and pain to observe how I did things.
Hi Rosie.
Hi Kevin.
How are you?
We're going to let you test some new prototypes. One of the more interesting observations that I made is that it's quite common to see scabs and scars on their hands, over their arms, because of all these unfortunate endeavors in the kitchen. Folks is a set of kitchen tools that is designed to help the blind in performing very simple tasks.
I always told him that's my dream, that somebody locally in Singapore design some product that's very useful for us. I find that a lot of the university students, when they did the project for the disabled, it didn't continue. So I really find that it's a pity. If it is, definitely I would want to get a set for myself because I find them really very useful.
I'm thrilled that Kevin is bringing this forward. I'm always supportive of using design to achieve more than just aesthetics. In this case, it's doing social good.
At the end of the day, I think it is really my humble wish that whatever I have designed is able to help the blind community gain some confidence in doing a very simple task.